Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at the certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with an anthracite black poplar wood trim. Sunroof. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Trailer hitch. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 44,686 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.